Renzo Piano Building Workshop unveils Pearl-like Opera House on Hanoi Lake. Renzo Piano Building Workshop, in collaboration with PTW Architects, has embarked on an ambitious project to construct the Isola Della Musica Opera House in Hanoi, Vietnam. This groundbreaking design, commissioned by the Vietnamese developer Sun Group, aims to captivate audiences with its unique pearlescent aesthetic. The opera house, named Isola Della Musica, translates to Island of Music in Italian, and will be situated on a man-made island between Hanoi's West Lake and Dam Tri Lake. The building's design draws inspiration from the iridescent beauty of mother of pearl, featuring a curved concrete roof clad in pearlescent ceramic tiles. Renzo Piano Building Workshop explains that the building's skin is composed of ceramic tiles of various sizes, meticulously arranged to follow the curves of the shell. This design creates a pixelated effect while also providing strategic openings where needed. The surface's appearance will dynamically transform throughout the day, reflecting the changing weather and light conditions, with a mesmerizing mother-of-pearl shine. The architectural masterpiece boasts a bulbous roof shape adorned with circular skylights, stretching over tall glazed facades and forming arched openings as it gracefully meets the ground. The concrete shell, crafted from a ribbed structure, is designed with catenary curves, enabling it to bear the majority of the load in compression. Renzo Piano Building Workshop highlights the structural brilliance of the design, stating, "A thin ribbed concrete structure serves as the primary structural component, mathematically representing a 3D catenary form that operates entirely in compression. This innovative element efficiently distributes loads to a limited number of internal points and more along the perimeter, atop the square island, which serves as the building's core." The studio further elaborates, "Between the ribs, the thin concrete structure accommodates openings without compromising structural integrity. The shell's shape is not arbitrary but is intricately linked to the functions and volumes it encloses." Renzo Piano Building Workshop, founded by the renowned architect Renzo Piano in 1981, has garnered international acclaim, including the prestigious Pritzker Architecture Prize. The studio's diverse portfolio showcases a 55 by 55 meter cube mixed-use building in London and plans for a hospital in Sharjah, where medical buildings are seamlessly integrated into a park-like setting. The images accompanying this article are attributed to Aesthetica Studio, capturing the essence of this remarkable architectural endeavor.